So a lot of people have been suggesting that I make a jacket. So I found this. So I'm going to upcycle this into something that suits me better. This is part of an ongoing series I've been doing where I upcycle clothes from my grandma's closet into completely new things that are hopefully wearable. The coat itself is not that bad of a shape and design. I'm not mad at it. One thing I don't like though is if you're gonna do this double button thing, I like it if it's like real double button. I don't like this fake stuff where this button doesn't button to anything. It's just there for show. And on the back you have these two that go into here. I don't like that. Since it's a woman's coat, it closes with the right on the top, so I'll have to switch that over. And I think I'm gonna make it just a one button design instead of the double button fake thing. The sleeves have these little guys on the end. I don't really mind them that much. I'll probably leave them. We'll see. But they're too wide, so I'm definitely going to slim them up a little bit. And the jacket itself is a bit wide as well, so I'm going to take off some of that width from there too. The collar, we'll see what happens. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. On the back though, there's this thing. And I'm not really a super big fan of this look, so I'll probably just remove it because it's literally just this weird little strip. And then two buttons. And then the back will just be a nice clean silhouette. So I'm starting by removing these sleeves. Now that we got the sleeves out of the way. So I need it to fold in. I need it to close the other way. Like this. We have two that are functional. 1 and 2. There's no hole for that one. These are not functional. These will all be removed. On the back side, there's 2 holes here, so I can put buttons on the back of this, and it can button in on the opposite side. So there will be closure here, and then this will be open. But I have this. Maybe I can put it like this and put a button back there and then put a button right there. Yeah. I'm kind of liking that. I'm kind of liking the collar too. The collar can stay. So these guys are going to leave and then it'll just be those two and that one. Now I need to get to work. So I got the sleeves slimmed up just a tad, and now I'm gonna press them open. Now the sleeves are done. These guys are gonna go now. Now that those guys are gone, I'm gonna put this guy on. All right, we got that guy on. Now we can slim up the sides. All right, so I got it slimmed up just a tad, and I got the front button on and the back button on. Now I just need to put the sleeves on and it'll be done. All right, it's done. It kind of fits like a bomber in like length and, you know, everything, but I kind of like it. It's very warm. I'm sweating from wearing this right now, so I'm probably like really shiny. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.